How to create Amazon seller account in UK. You'll have to search for Google about create Amazon seller account UK, and then once you do that you'll be able to see a link. The first link that reads sell on Amazon, make sure it is on UK. So you'll have to require to sign up first of all in your account because I've already done it. Let's go and get started. Simply go to get started, and then it will load up a page for you where you can go ahead and get started. Here you'll be required to type in your business register country, that's for like Nepal for me, and then press save and continue. So what kind of business do you have? Privately owned business. Save and continue. And then here you'll be required to validate your all the IDs according to your wish, and then I confirm and then agree and continue. So simply press on agree and continue, and then it will take some time. It will take some time, so you'll have to be patient for that. And then for that you'll have to simply follow the prompts according to what it says. So for that you'll have to follow all this 1 2 3 4. For first you'll have to enter your business information. Once you do that, you will be required to put in your seller information, your store information, and verify your account using your original documents, your official original documents like your passport, your passport, your license, your citizenship. Here you'll be required to enter your postal code, everything, fill out the form, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. You have created a seller account once you simply complete the verification process. Thank you and have a great day.